Cloud ERP has become the foundation for how modern businesses run their operations. Instead of managing servers in-house or relying on disconnected tools, companies are turning to cloud-based enterprise resource planning systems that bring everything together, securely, centrally, and in real time. At its core, Cloud ERP connects finance, sales, purchasing, inventory, manufacturing, supply chain, service, and more into one unified platform. Everything works from the same live data. That means fewer silos, fewer manual workarounds, and better visibility across the organization. One of the biggest advantages of Cloud ERP is accessibility. Because the system is hosted in the cloud, users can log in from anywhere, whether they're at headquarters, in a warehouse, visiting a customer, or working remotely. This flexibility supports collaboration across teams and locations without complicated VPN setups or infrastructure constraints. Cost structure is another major consideration. Cloud ERP typically operates on a subscription model, reducing the need for large upfront investments in hardware and perpetual licenses. Infrastructure, maintenance, updates, and backups are all handled by the provider. That lowers the burden on internal IT teams and makes costs more predictable over time. Security is often a key question. Modern cloud ERP platforms are built on secure infrastructure with advanced encryption, continuous monitoring, and compliance standards designed to protect sensitive business data. For many organizations, the level of protection available in the cloud equals or exceeds what they could maintain internally. Scalability is built into the cloud model. As your business grows, adding users, opening new locations, expanding product lines, or entering new markets, the ERP system can scale with you. You can add functionality, integrate additional technologies, and support more complex workflows without replacing your core system. Cloud ERP also supports faster innovation. Updates are delivered automatically, meaning you benefit from new features and improvements without major upgrade projects. Instead of planning disruptive version migrations every few years, the system evolves continuously in the background. Another important benefit is integration. A modern cloud ERP platform connects easily with other business systems, from e-commerce and CRM to logistics providers and third-party applications. API and built-in integration tools allow data to flow smoothly between systems, reducing duplication and improving accuracy. Businesses often ask whether Cloud ERP can support complex industries. The answer is yes. Today's Cloud ERP solutions are designed to handle manufacturing, distribution, retail, professional services, and other operationally demanding environments, all within the same platform. Ultimately, Cloud ERP is about more than hosting location. It's about agility, visibility, and resilience. It allows leadership to make decisions based on real-time information. It reduces reliance on manual processes, and it creates a connected digital backbone for the entire organization. As markets change and customers' expectations increase, businesses need systems that can adapt quickly. Cloud ERP provides that adaptability, helping organizations operate efficiently today while preparing for whatever comes next.